Hello friends, this is Satapin. It's a Punjabi word which means my village. It's a living museum showcasing the culture of Punjab. Keep watching the video to know more. You are watching Sarita Nishan's vlog. It's a travel vlog. The places we visit, we create a memory out of it. So that was the famous Bhangra dance. Hope you are also dancing with the tune. You need to buy entry ticket which includes all the live events, food, few games and a buffet dinner. Live kitchen is available where the famous makke di roti, sarson da saag are being prepared and you can eat unlimited, and this was one of my favorite. If you are in Punjab, how can you forget lassi? Fresh lassi is being served here. You can eat to your heart's content. These are all mud houses inside the museum. You will feel like you are in a village area and see the artwork. All the traditional artworks are displayed here. For all the ladies, the famous Fulkari dupatta is available here. You can see the process how it is made. You can buy also from here. So please have a look. Do you remember this in your childhood? Maybe this is a type of movie hall in olden days, so you can see movies inside literally. If you don't believe, just have a look inside. Our little Naisa could not resist to dance in Bhangra music. She's enjoying. This is a completely family place. So there are many other activities inside. You will need a full day to explore everything. There are horse riding is available, camel riding, few games and few sports, so many things to do. So if you are visiting Amritsar, don't miss this place. This is a top 5 locations to be visited. You are watching Sarita and Nishan's vlog. It's a travel vlog. If you have any queries regarding this place, do comment down below. We'll get back to you. And if you like our video, please subscribe to this channel and like, share and comment.